Hey, I wanted to do a follow-up video on the Synology NAS that I just installed, and I'm really enjoying. The one thing I did not like when you fire that thing up, it sounds like a rocket ship. It is super loud because of the fans that it comes with. So I swapped them out and it is much, much better. You can see the before decibel level here. I could not sit in the front of my home theater and not hear this thing. It was so loud. So I want to show you just a real quick fan upgrade and the difference it makes in sound. If you want to hear what it actually sounded like before, go over here, check out this video on the setup process, and you can hear it when I fire it up. All right, these Noctua fans just came in, so I am going to swap them out. There's already a great video on how to do this on YouTube, so I'm not going to record the whole process. Essentially, you just remove the top of the case. Then you unscrew and disconnect from here these two fans. They come with different colored swappable anti-vibration pads. I'm just going to put those on the back of it and also on the front. I'm just going to transfer this little grate over here. Right fan is installed. I just coiled that up a little bit, taped it down, routed it the same way, plugged it into the 4-pin. Left fan installed, connected. I just kind of looped the extra cord around, tucked it under there. And while we have this thing open, you can see the two slots for our RAM, and we got our DDR4 4 gigs of RAM installed by Synology, and one open slot, so I might throw another 4 gigs in there at some point. Here is the PCI port where I'll be attaching that card to get my 10 gig port and my caching. So that card is gonna lay right here, so gotta make sure my cord's out of the way for that. But before installing that stuff, I just want to close this thing up and give it a listen. So this is the current location. I'm going to put it in my rack. I'm just using some internal generic rails that came with my rack. And let me plug it in, see what it sounds like now. Oh yeah, by the way, this is my new APC UPS that I just installed yesterday. And this is going to be connected to that. Oh man, that is so much quieter. Let me pull up the decibel reader here for you once it gets started. I can actually hear the drives spinning up. Before, all I could hear was fan. I was using my phone to record it, and I just put my phone like right here, hovered right above it, and you can see what those readings are. So much quieter than before. So yeah, if you have this anywhere where noise is going to be an issue, I highly recommend upgrading these. And like I said, I'll have the parts to these fans and all the other equipment that I'm using in the description of this video if you are interested in checking them out.